Yo, Jesse with Bumble Land Clearing. So today I'm helping my dump truck guy, Walter, with another pad and a driveway. All right, so we're gonna push down here, and we got flags that way, so we got to build a 16 by 80 pad. I got a guy come and help me to use the laser transit, so I'm gonna go ahead and get a pad or a driveway, because you can kind of tell it's pretty muddy. And then we also got to put a tile. There's a tile there, so we're gonna put another one down there. They just told us to put the tile, dig it down a little bit with the bucket, and throw it down in there and leave it. So that's what we're gonna do. And we got rain coming Wednesday and Thursday, some bad storms, and we're gonna go ahead and try to get this so the dump truck driver can put the load on the trailer, or on the trailer pad. So it's a 16 by 80, and it looks like we're down in there. We're gonna have to bring it up probably about 1.5 feet, because it's pretty high up here and it's low down there, or dipped on the back corner. So let's get at it. Bucket. Got a nice 84 that'll help, and I'm trying to get this without making a loud noise, but I guess we're gonna have to anyway. it. We're gonna go ahead and pull the chain off and put her on there and get going. We gotta go. Gotta go. Towel in. They're wanting us to put it in there because it's puddling up, so I used the bucket to curl it back. We're trying to get that in, but they took a trailer out from the right side of us, and they boogered it up when they took it out. Which is not working out like we're wanting it to. I don't know if you can see that or not, but we got some thick old clay. It's like the light pink clay. So we got the transit over there, and I'm over the guy out here trying to figure this out. So he told me what to do. So here's our corner mark for a 16. It's a 16 by 80 pad. So we went 83 and 19 wide for the pad because they said they wanted a little bigger. So we're going to go a little bit bigger for them. So here's the corner, which you can't find nothing about how to use these things. So let's see. So it tells you that little thing to go down, you're getting close. There's level here. Well, Right there's level. It tells you how to go up or down. That one solid tone is the one you need to go with. So we need about 4 inches down here, and I think it was like a let's see, come on now, see right there, a little bit up. How much more we got to go? I mean, it's almost a boot. Right there. So we needed like 1.6 inches. So we're going to try to get this. We're going to start in this corner first, so that way we're going for the farthest end first. But the stuff that we got has smart car size boulders in there, so we got to get rid of those. We had some good, very fine material when we first got the chert load, so we told the Walter to get some better chert. So we're going to go ahead and get this, and then once we get some down and I get it figured out, then I'll start recording some. You see how big these freaking boulders are? It's freaking wet, damn. So we got the end down there started. We got some sticks. Got some sticks put right here, so that way you don't go over. Stick there, and then you want to come back and clean this up. That way it ain't showing any. And killed one of them too. Got some there. We got a smart car sitting over there too. We're gonna have to get a base, so that way, because we're putting mud on the finish over there, so that way we'll have something to start with. Go ahead and put this over here, and then wait until he gets another one. We'll put it right here, and then we'll start building back up. We got it almost where we want it. We probably got about a 1/4 inch left to get it level, but we're going to put some good clean down, so that way we ain't gonna worry about all this mud. So now we still got some more smart car boulders here. Some of it can bust up, but some of it's rock. But we still got a pretty good ways, and we were already at, see, 6 loads I think, and we said about 5. But so since we've it's wet, and they want, hey, we want this done pretty quick, so trying to get it done, but it's just so wet, so it's packing down in there. And then all that, we didn't come out here and transit it to see how low it was, so it's about 2 foot, and the customer told us to make it one more load. There just ain't no way to make it actually level. Pads look a little better. We're going to go ahead and shape it up, and just to save some time, which with this one we've had, it's pretty dry. You can tell, I mean, it's pretty soft. The other stuff we've been getting this morning has been pretty wet, so we're going to try to pack it. We're going to take this, fill this up, and then take the second load and fill that up, so we should be a lot leveler than what we are now. So we should be able to get done. And the dump truck driver just sent me a text, and I don't know if you can see that or not, blue lights. So we're gonna be pushed back a little bit. He just got the truck out of the shop. It cost him $25,000 to fix the compression issues, because it was putting compression into the crankcase, so which caused a rebuild. So he's trying to get money for tags and tires. So if you do business, you know how that is. So we're gonna keep on rolling. All right, so we got this done finally. Walter got stopped by DOT, so we took an extra 20-30 minutes. So got gravel just in time. So the customer was like, hey, just go ahead and use the rest to kind of pack this. So here's the driveway, here's the pad, so they'll have all that to swing in there. So It's been packed pretty good bit. I mean, we ain't got no dozer or nothing like that, so. And then I tucked in the sides best I could. I mean, this side's wet, so but once we're supposed to get that rain tomorrow, so tomorrow's Wednesday, so the customer's pretty happy. So we got in here and packed everything down. Just kind of coming here and hitting it with my foot, kind of knocking the high sides down. Pretty windy already. We'll go ahead and load up. Got a beautiful sunset. It's a good way to end the day. We also put another culvert in. They just said throw the culvert on there. We didn't want no chart on it, but I'm glad that we done that. So this is the end of this, and we're going to go ahead and get loaded up. So go ahead and get some pictures. It's looking pretty good. So this is my first pad with the Bosch 1000. So pretty happy. Very frustrating at first, but I finally figured it out.